We are back at it again. Apparently Thanksgiving didn't scare Greg off, so we are here at the Chikaming mountain bike trail. And today I want to test out the folding Gyroor C5Max bike. I've only got like 10 miles on that bike. I've only ridden it once when I did the review, and it says it's a mountain bike. So we're going to find out if it can actually handle a mountain bike trail. Greg's going to be riding the Nomad 1 since he rode the Adventure yesterday, and now it has to go into the shop. So we'll see if either one of these bikes will survive today. And let's get at it. Woo! Ooh, that thing. All right, here's what I don't like about the half twist grips, because when you're just trying to hang on, all right, here goes Greg. I bet he doesn't hit this, because I wouldn't either if I was him. But we'll see. We'll see what his reaction is. You got this, buddy. You got it. Yeah! Woo!
Oh, Jesus. Oh.
Super impressed. I'm very happy right now. I literally said on film, I bet he doesn't do it. So as I was saying about this twist throttle, that just makes it a little bit more difficult. Oh, so this thing says it'll do a 30-degree, go up a hill at a 30-degree angle. Well, that was a 30-degree angle right there. And it did it. All right, this is my third attempt to talk about this twist throttle when you're on mountain bike stuff. As you saw earlier, I hit or maybe you didn't, depends if I edit that out or not. But with this twist throttle, you know, sometimes you're just trying to hang on to the bike and then it just wants to go. So I always think that when it comes to trails like this or bikes like this, that a thumb throttle is actually a safer bet. But this bike is just, it's going through it. Woo! Got some roots, got some leaves. I mean, we're doing everything with this bike that our 26-incher is doing. And I'm really appreciating that back shock on this bike so far. Oh, here we go. Woo! Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. We hit the go-go juice too late. This one only has a 500 watt back motor, and that one has a 750. Okay, so this little bike is pretty fun. Which way does this trail go? Looks like it goes this way. Huh. Just does that clanking around a lot that you guys can hear. But we haven't lost. Woo. But my wrist, or my hand. Oh, I know this is gonna end up in some spokes. We're not playing that game. Ooh. Up. And right there. Oh, I just came unhooked. Hang on. Here we go. I came unhooked. My handlebars did. We're good. All right. So I'm guessing maybe if you were gonna do this bike, maybe just like Velcro strap that around the stem You all right?
Yeah, you want to grab the bike so I don't drop it?
Oh boy. Hang on. What'd you do? All right. He's good to go. That's the thing about these trails and these bikes, man. You never know. They come out and bite you. That's why you always wear a helmet. A lot of the trail's hiding on us. These freaking leaves. Huh. Hope he makes it over that and over this. With this bike, I would absolutely not do any jumps with it. But for this kind of stuff, it is good to go. 220 pounds is the limit on this bike, and I am 230. Well, Thanksgiving just happened, so let's say 235. It's kind of hard to track with all these leaves down where we're going, but we're figuring it out. We're making it happen. Low bridge. Starting to get a little bit more confidence in this bike, considering the stuff that we've gone through. Ooh. Still not thrilled about the twist throttle, but you just got to be more aware. Oh, there we go. Looks like Greg survived another one.
We'll see.
We haven't checked out that footage yet, but I mean, you will have seen it by the time you watch this. And yeah, so we're like, oh boy. But that was only one act. You only wrecked once.
Only hit one tree with my head. Wear your helmet. Wear your safety gear.
Wear your helmets. One of the things that I did notice to be an issue is that this wants to keep unhooking. So if you have a bike like this, or if you want to get a bike like this and you want to do it for mountain bike stuff, then I would absolutely put a Velcro strap around that, and that should solve that issue. But overall, this 20-inch little mountain bike here did just as well as this one. If you fix that issue and everything else, I mean, I was pleasantly surprised kind of going through it. It is going to clang and bank around a bit. You'll hear some of that in the video, but also, I mean, I was trying to make it easy and have some stuff strapped on the outside. And so you probably hear that a little bit, but overall the bike was pretty quiet when it came to things smacking around. As you can see, there's the Nomad 1 looking, they had some fun. They look pretty good. Okay, once again, I want to thank Greg for coming with me on this. The bikes that you see in this video, there'll be a link to them down in the description. And Greg, I mean, what'd you think about riding the Nomad this time?
You know, second time out, in case you didn't see the other video. This one is supposedly has less torque, but it was more immediately available. So I felt like I had to be careful with it. But when it came to really vertical parts or really technical parts, I felt like it was missing a little torque compared to the other. That's where I could notice it. But great bike, handled well. It probably survived the tree crash better than I did. We'll see what the video says. Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was a good bike, very solid.
That is true. Okay, once again, thanks for coming, buddy. But for you guys watching, thanks again for watching. And yeah, until the next time I see you,
enjoy the ride.